Demonstration of presence of electric charges. Experiment 2. A gold leaf electroscope is commonly used to detect the presence of electric charge, its polarity, and also the amount of electric charge on a body. It is the simplest kind of apparatus and consists of two extremely thin gold leaves or foils G1, G2 attached to the bottom end B of a metal rod AB. A metallic disc or knob D is usually attached at the top end A of that metal rod. The whole system, including metal rod with attached gold leaves, is housed inside a transparent box or bottle J through an insulating stopper or cork C, keeping the top end A of the metal rod partially outside the system. When a charged body is brought in contact with the metallic disc or metal rod of the electroscope, the same charge gets transferred to the V-shaped gold leaves through the metal rod. Both gold leaves are now charged with the same type of charge. That is, each gold leaf acquires like charges. Hence, they repel each other and the gold leaves are seen to diverge from their initial position. When the second charged body is brought in contact with the metallic disc of the electroscope and the gold leaves of the electroscope diverge, then this suggests that the charges on both the bodies are of same sign and thus diverge more. But if the gold leaves of the electroscope converge, then this suggests that the charge on both the bodies are of opposite signs. In case a neutral body is brought in contact, the gold leaves of the electroscope do not diverge. This is how we detect whether the body is charged or uncharged or neutral, and the charges are same sign or different.